Hi, I'm Hannah. Our group helped to design this workshop, which is focusing on the artist trading card activity. We are so excited you are here with us expressing your own creativity.
I'm Meg. Centuries ago, the nomadic ancestors of modern Native Americans settled all over the United States, forming different tribes. I'm from Indiana, so if I were Native American, I would have been from the Waya tribe.
Hello, I'm Tiffany. I'm from Pennsylvania, and I would have been part of the Susquehanna tribe.
Hi all, I'm Crystal and I'm from North Dakota, so that would have made me part of the Mandan tribe.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm from New York, and that would have made me from the Muncie tribe.
I'm also originally from New York, and I would have been from the Montauk tribe. Here's an example of our finished artist trading card. Hi, our names are Tiffany and Hannah. Our group helped to design this creative workshop for you. We are so excited that you are here with us expressing your own creativity.
One of the most important things I think when I look to make friends is showing someone why they're important and special to me. That is why I'm going to make a friendship trading card for my friend Hannah.
So for this art making experience, you're going to need paper, markers, glue stick, scissors, possibly crayons or colored pencils, and other creative materials you can find like beads or magazine cutouts or feathers or any of that kind of stuff. All right, so once we have our template, you can start to decorate one side of your trading card however you like. You can write something nice, you can add stickers, drawings, feathers, any of that kind of stuff, whatever you find enjoyable. I'm going to start creating my trading card. So I'm just using some markers to color it because I like the color green. So I'm going to put my favorite color on one side, and then I'm going to put Tiffany's favorite color on the back side. You can use markers or colored pencils or crayons to do this. And you can design it however you want. You don't have to color the whole side one color. You could do a design, you could do stripes, swirls, polka dots. You could draw pictures. Anything that you want. So I'm really just getting an all over coverage of the green on one side. And at the bottom of the card, I'm going to write where I'm from because we're talking about different regions of America and how we come from all different places and we can still be similar. So I'm from the Delaware region in terms of how that relates to where the Native American tribes are from. So I'm really from New Jersey. That's the Delaware tribe. So I'm going to write that at the bottom.
And I'm from the Pomo tribe area, which is in the California Intermountain region, which is on the other side of the country from Hannah.
I'm just taking some yarn and cutting it right now. And once I have my yarn, I'm going to make the yarn into a little heart because I want to tell Tiffany that I love her. I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm just going to glue right on to the card. And now I'm going to try to make this yarn into a heart shape. Let's see if I can do it. And again, you can do whatever kind of design that you guys want. So that's not working out too well. Maybe I won't do that. But I do have some colored construction paper with me. So maybe I'll try to heart out of this and glue it on, because that seems like it'll be a little easier. So you can have your parents help you cut out different shapes, help you cut out the card. If you're not comfortable using scissors, have your parents help you. Okay. So I'm going to take this guy and add it to my trading card. There you go. I'm going to stick that right on there where I glued down. So I've got my little heart here, and I've got some beads too if I wanted to add. I don't think I'm going to add any beads to this one, but that's totally an option, because you know the Native Americans used beads in their artwork all the time. They used string and feathers and stuff too. You can always add that kind of stuff. I'm just coloring the heart pink because I like the color pink better than red. I'm coloring over the red paper. And I have some stickers with me too that I might add on. I'm gonna write hello, put a little hello sticker on, and then maybe I'll add a little feather too. So the Native Americans used feathers in their artwork all the time. So I'm going to add a little feather to this trading card. Now, if you are going to use beads, you're going to need more than just a glue stick. You might need some Elmer's glue in a bottle. So some Elmer's glue in a bottle here. If you have this at home, you can use that. So I think I have my side all decorated.
Okay, so once you have one side all decorated, we can flip the card over to the blank side and draw either a Venn diagram about what I like about myself and what I like about Hannah, and then what is similar about both of us of our friendship. And or you could write something positive about to inspire Hannah, or you can write a fun list similar to the Venn diagram.
So I'm going to write that Tiffany rocks and is a great friend. Now, since Tiffany and I are a little bit older, I'm going to put the Venn diagram down to illustrate our friendship and explain it. But if I was a little bit younger, I'd probably write a list. So because the Venn diagram can get a little confusing. So you can see one circle is going to represent Tiffany and the other circle is going to represent me. Now, Tiffany's from California and I'm from New Jersey. I like dogs and so does Tiffany. So I'm going to write in the middle that we both like dogs. I think I'm very kind, so I'm going to put that I'm kind. I think Tiffany is very funny, so I'm going to put that Tiffany's funny. I'm going to put that I like to read a lot. And Tiffany is really good at math, so I'm going to put good at math. So now you can see we've got a little Venn diagram here. So the Venn diagram is two circles connecting in the middle that shows the relationship between a group of different things in a visual way. So we have the circle that represents me and the circle that represents my friend Tiffany. And when you're doing this, just make sure you use kind words because this is meant to be fun and encouraging. And going back to what I said before, I'm gonna make this color on this side yellow because Tiffany really likes yellow. So now this is gonna represent her favorite color and the other side represents mine. Just finishing this up.
And after I write my list, I'm writing a little note for her, wishing her good luck.
Okay. So I'm just about done with mine. So I have Delaware tribe because that's where I would have been from if I was living back in the Native American times. I have my little feather. I've got my little heart and I'm saying hello to her. And then on the back I have Tiffany rocks and is a great friend in yellow and our Venn diagram that helps to illustrate and show our friendship.
And I wrote my name and to my friend. I wrote the tribe I would have been from and a pretty flower to remember a special moment we had together walking in the garden. Then I wrote a list of all of our positive qualities and things we like to do and a special note for her.
Awesome. So finally, your parents can help send your card to a friend. And you can take an envelope and stick it in the envelope. And then you can put it in the mail and your friend can get your trading card and look at it and it'll make them really happy. So we hope you enjoyed this activity. And we hope that you find it really fun and we hope that parents out there find this very useful as a resource for social and emotional learning. We got our trading cards in the mail from each other. So we sent them out and now we have them. That's so awesome. This made me so happy because now I can send something nice to my friend and she can see how much I value our friendship. So one side of the card, Tiffany drew a really pretty flower. And then on the other side, she wrote a list of why we're friends and how we're different and similar at the same time. So we are from different parts of the country, like I said before. So Tiffany would have been from the Pomo tribe and I would have been from the Delaware tribe. And we have both of that on our trading cards. So what's different about Tiffany's card from my card is that I used a feather and Tiffany used all different colored markers to draw on there. I put a sticker on mine and I love that she put the flower on because it relates back to when we had this really nice time together in the garden. It reminds me of that really nice memory. So we're really different, but we're still friends and we can appreciate each other.
Social emotional learning teaches us how to understand our thoughts and feelings while also understanding the feelings of others in order to make better friendships.
This activity helps with understanding feelings of ours and others, making friendships, and thinking of others in kind and thoughtful ways.
Questions parents can ask their children following this activity can include what kind of social behaviors help us make friends? How do we handle arguments? Why did we choose the colors that we did? How can we understand our friends better? How do these colors make us feel? And how can we practice being a good friend?
Artist trading cards are a perfect way to show kindness and friendship towards others in a unique and fun way.
We hope you enjoyed this activity and gained some creative insight on social and emotional learning through the process.